Hello everyone, time for an Oblivion Remastered tutorial. I'm going to show you how to cure Vampirism really fast without doing any quest or anything like that. So my character has contracted Vampirism. He is a full-fledged vampire at this point. And we need to get to this point called Deep Scorn Hollow. It's at the southeastern tip of the map. Easiest way to get there is just to fast travel to Leowen, I forget how to pronounce it. And then you come to this little island, has a little bridge here. Okay, here it is on the map. And then what you're going to do is come over here. This is called Deep Scorn Hollow. And there's these little ruins here right in the water. And I just want to show you at the daytime my character is taking damage. He is, and it's kind of annoying to take damage during the daytime. So, but if you want to be a vampire, that's great. But if you want to get rid of it, here you go. No quest involved. There is a quest, but it kind of is a pain in the butt and takes kind of a while to do it. But you're more than welcome to do it. And so you want to swim down, and you find this little log with a door, and that gives you the entrance to Deep Scorn Hollow. And then when you come in here, it's going to update the little quest. Just hit continue on that, and then pick up that journal, and we're going to read this journal, and that will continue the little quest here. And you can read through that if you want. Now we're just going to walk straight and then turn to the left, the west door, go up these stairs and go to the Deep Scorn Cloister. All right, you're going to turn left here, and then down this stairs there's this little fountain. And in order to use the fountain, I can't use it right now, the Fount of Renewal, because I need some pure blood salts, purge blood salts. And don't worry, they're in the same room. You can find them right here and get the purge blood salts. And then go down here and just activate that, and then it'll ask you if you want to cure your vampirism. And just said yes, and there you go. Vampirism is cured super quick, super easy. Hopefully you found this helpful. But if you want to do the other vampire quest, the Cure the Vampire the long way, there's a lot of cool stuff that you're going to do with it. It's just kind of tedious, but it'll have you explore a lot of the map in doing so. So you may want to go the long route. But if you want to do it quick and easy, just follow this method, and you will be a cured person of vampirism in no time. And you can go about your business running around during the day and not taking any damage. There you go. Hopefully you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.